Check point 3. A certain amount of heat Q will warm 1 gram of material A by 3 Celsius degree and 1 gram of material B by 4 Celsius degree. Which material has the greater specific heat? In chapter 18, we studied the absorption of the heat by solid and liquid, right? And the formula here is Q, which is equal to mc delta T, where Q is the heat absorbed by the material, m is the mass of the material, C is the specific heat capacity value of this material, where delta T is the change in temperature. So what we have here, we have two material A and material B. And for this material A, what is the mass of this material? Which is 1 gram. And material B mass is also 1 gram. Clear? And then we increase the temperature. So how much temperature change we did? 3 Celsius degree, and here delta T is 4 Celsius degree. And how much heat we gave? Same quantity, because certain amount of heat will warm, because same amount of quantity we are just giving. So let's we consider Q in material A and Q in material B are same. Clear? So that means Q, which is here, is nothing but QA, Q, which is nothing but QB. So Q, which is equal to QA, which is equal to QB. Same. Now, how to find the greatest capacity? So I am going to substitute this in this formula. If you substitute, what we will get? Q of A, which is equal to 1 multiplied by the specific heat capacity of the material A multiplied by 3. So therefore, the specific heat capacity of the value, which is equal to 1 over 3 times of, which is equal to 1 over 3 times of Q, because same amount of heat we are supplied. We have to check the same thing here. Q of B, which is equal to 1 gram multiplied by the specific heat of the second material B multiplied by the change in temperature 4 Celsius degree. So therefore CB, which is equal to 1 over 4 multiplied by QB. Now here QB is equal to QA, which is equal to Q. So we can write these as 1 over 3 times of Q. So what is the answer for 1 over 3? 1 over 3, which gives the answer of 0.33 times of Q, which is CA. And what is CB? Sorry, this is 1 over 4, right? So 1 over 4, we got 0.25 times of Q. So which one is the greatest? Material A has the greater specific heat. In another way, we can give the answer. So how we can give the answer in another way? You can take these two formula, okay, and we are just giving the same amount of heat. So if you just to say same amount of heat, we can write these as Q, which is equal to 3 times of CA, and we can write these in terms of Q, which is equal to 4 CB. So we can equate both the equation, because the left hand side of the equations are same. So 3 CA, which is equal to 4 CB. Therefore CA, which is equal to 4 over 3 times of CB, where CB, which is equal to 3 over 4 times of CA. Now if you find the answer here, 4 over 3 gives the value of 1.33 times of CB, where CB, which is equal to 3 over 4, which is nothing but 0.75, 0.75 times of CA. So which one is the greatest? The greatest here again Ca. So either you can give the answer like this, or either you can cross the answer like this. So what is the conclusion for this question? Material Ca has the greater specific heat than material B. So this is the answer for this question. That's it. Thank you.